Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 1 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 1 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. So we have already done with all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. So that is just a review session. I'm going to start with any random chapter. So if you need help with any lesson, you can just write down the lesson in the chat box. For the next session, I will cover the lesson. So today we're going to start with the lesson comparing. One more thing, from July 1 to 16, I'm off for summer vacations. So we have a break for the live sessions. So the live sessions will start after 16th July. Okay, here I'm on grade 1 maths. The chapter we're working on is comparing. Let's just start with the first lesson, comparing review. So basically we are going to learn how do we compare two things. Got it? Like here you are given with which group has, you are given with two groups. They have dots. One group has orange dots and the other one has green dots. You need to see which one has the fewer dots. So how do you see? You have to match orange dots with the green one. Got it? Like you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 of the green dots match with 7 of the orange dot, but you are left with two more orange dot, but you don't have two more green dots. That means there is not enough green dots to match all the orange dots. So there are fewer green dots than the orange dots. Got it? Let's just start with the practice question, and we're going to see how do we compare things. Basically things. Got it? Okay, let's just see which group has fewer. uh I'm going to match the dots. Got it? And let's see in which group we are left with. This one match. Okay, you can see we have two more dots in orange group, but you don't have any in the green one. Got it? That means you have more orange dot than the green one. So the correct option is the second one. You have more orange dots than the green one. Oh, you have to look which one has fewer. Sorry. So that means green one has the fewer one. Got it? Because you are still left with two in the orange. Okay, what now you have to see which group has more. So let's just match them and see which one has more. Okay, which group has more? You can see the purple one still left. That means the purple one has still more dots. So the purple group has more. The correct option is option 1. Very good. Okay, which group has more? So which one has more? Yes, you can see the blue one has more dots than the orange one. So which group has more? Option 1 is the correct option. Okay, which group has fewer? Purple or blue? Which one has fewer? Yes, the purple group has fewer dots. Okay, which group has fewer, the green or the yellow? Yes, the green one has fewer dots. Okay, let's just start with the next one. Okay, the next one is comparing numbers up to 10. So now we're going to learn how do we compare numbers. Okay, which word makes the statement true? 3, you are going to compare 3 and 5. So you need to see if 3 is greater than 5, 3 is less than 5, and 3 is equal to 5. So when counting, you see 3 comes before 5. So that means when you count, 3 comes before 5. So that means 3 is less than the 5. Got it? If the number is before the other one, that means that is less than the first one is less than. So 3 is less than 5. Just look at the other example. Which word makes the statement true? 3 and 3. So the both the numbers are exactly same. That means they are equal. 3 is same as number 3. So they are equal. Okay, which word makes the statement true? 3 and 2. When counting, 3 comes after 2. That means 3 is greater than 2. Got it? Because 3 comes after 2. So 3 is greater than 2. Okay, which word makes the statement true? 2 and 1. Okay, so when counting, 2 comes after the 1, isn't it? So that means 2 is greater than 1. Got it? After, if a number comes after the other number, that means that would be the less one. So it would be 2 is greater than 1. Okay, which words makes the statement true? 4 and 2. So 4 is greater than 2, less than 2, equal to 2. So which is the correct option? When counting, 4 is after the 2. Got it? So that means 4 is greater than 2. The correct option is greater than 4 is greater than 2. Which word makes the statement true? 3 and 5. Which is the correct option? When counting, 3 comes before 5. Isn't it? Yes, so that means 3 is less than 5. So the correct option is less than. Okay, which word makes the statement true? 7 and 6. So when counting, 7 comes 7 comes after 6. That means 7 is greater than 6 because 7 comes after 6 when counting. Which word makes the statement true? 6 and 8. So when counting, 6 comes before 8 or after 8? Yes, when counting, 6 comes before 8. Got it? That means 6 is less than 8. Okay, the next one is which word makes the statement true? 5 and 5. So which is the correct option? Both the numbers are exactly same. That means they are. Hello. That means they are equal. 5 is equal to 5. Which word makes the statement true? Which is the correct option? 1, 2, 3. Equal to, less than, greater than. Which is the correct option? Both the numbers are exactly same. That means they are equal. Which word makes the statement true? 3 and 4. Greater, less, or equal? 3 is when counting 3 comes before 4. 3 comes before 4. That means 3 is less than 4. Which word makes the statement true? 10 and 5. Which is the correct option? When counting 10 comes after 5. That means 10 is greater than 5. Which word makes the statement true? 9 and 4. Which is the correct option? When counting 9 comes after 4. That means 9 is greater than 4. Option number 3 is the correct option. Got it? Which word makes the statement true? 5 and 4. Which is the correct option? 5 is less than 4. The correct option is less than. Oh, sorry. When counting, 5 comes after 4. That means 5 is greater than 4. Okay, which word makes the statement true? 3 and 2. So when counting, 3 comes after 2. That means 3 is greater than 2. Which word makes the statement true? Both the numbers are exactly same, so they are equal. 10 is equal to 10. Which words makes the statement true? 1 and 5. Which is the correct option? So when comparing, when counting, 1 comes before 5. That means 1 is less than 5. Which words makes the statement true? the numbers are exactly same, so they are equal. Both the numbers are exactly same, so they are equal. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. Okay, the next one is comparing numbers up to 100. Okay, which words makes the statement true? 94 and 93 you have to compare. So when you count, 94 comes after 93, isn't it? So that means 94 is greater than 93. So the lesson we just did, we are comparing two numbers until 10. Now we are going to compare the numbers until 100. Got it? So basically they are exactly same. You have to compare the same way you are doing in the other lesson. Which words makes the statement true? 63 and 63. So which is the correct option? The numbers are exactly same. So they are yes, 63 is equal to 63. Which words makes the statement true? 5 is greater 5 and 7. So which is the correct option? Yes, when counting 5 is yes less than 5 7. Very good. Which words makes the statement true? 32 and 82, which is the correct option? Yes, very good. 32 is less than 82. Which words makes the statement true? 45 and 41, which is the correct option? Yes, 45 is greater than 41. Which words makes the statement true? 3 is less than? Yes, 3 is less than 5. Which words makes the statement true? 68 and 68. Which is the correct option? Yes, equal to. Which words makes the statement true? 66. Yes, they both are exactly equal. Which words makes the statement true? 75 and 61. 75 is greater than 61. Which words makes the statement true? 30 and 76. Yes, 30 is less than 76. Which words makes the statement true? 4 and 3, which is the correct option? Very good. 4 is greater than 3. Which words makes the statement true? 44, 44, which is the correct option? Which word makes the statement true? Yes, they both are exactly equal. 44 is equal to 44. Which words makes the statement true? 62 is greater than 61. Which words makes the statement true? 92 and 15, which is the correct option? 92 is greater than 15. Which words makes the statement true? 52 is, yes, they both are exactly equal. 52 is equal to 52. Which words makes the statement true? 53 and 55. 53 is less than 55. Okay, you can complete the test. Let me just move on to next lesson. Okay, the next one is comparison word problems. Let's just start with the first one. The art museum has 3 pen drawings and 4 pencil sketches. Are there fewer pen drawings or fewer or pencil sketches at the art museum? So you have 3 pen drawings and 4 pencil sketches. So which one is less? Pen drawings or pencil sketches? Yes, 3 is less than 4. That means pen drawings are fewer than pencil sketches. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. The swimming center owns the swimming center owns 5 orange diving rings. It owns more green diving rings than orange diving rings. How many green diving rings does the swimming center own? Okay, so in the question you are given, you have more diving rings. Got it? So orange one are 5. So obviously then the number that is greater than 5 is the green rings. Got it? Because you have 8 and 2. But in the question you are given, you have more green rings than orange. So it would be 8. The correct option is 8. The local Chinese restaurant has 8 cooks and 1 waiter. Are there fewer cooks or fewer waiter working at a restaurant? So which one is fewer, cooks or waiter? Which is the correct option? Yes, just 1 waiter. That means you have the restaurant has fewer waiters. Got it? The second option is the correct one. Eva went to a fruit stand and bought 2 lemons. She bought more limes than lemons. How many limes did Eva buy? So, which is the correct option? So, which is the correct option? She have 2 lemons and she bought more limes than lemons. So, that means the number that is greater than 2 is the answer. So, which is the correct one? It would be 6. That means she has 6 limes. The library has 5 books about cars and 4 books about airplanes. Does the library have fewer books about cars and or books about airplanes? Which is the correct option? Which is the which one is less? Books about car or books about airplane? Yes, it would be books about airplanes because 4 is less than 5. So that means the books about airplane is less than the books about car. So the second option is the correct one. The local Chinese restaurant has 10 cooks and 8 waiters. Are there more cooks or waiters working at the restaurant? So which is the correct option? Yes, 10 cooks and 8 waiters. So 10 is greater than 8. That means the restaurant has more cooks than waiter. Cooks is the correct option. In every apartment building, there are 4 apartments with a view of the park. There are fewer apartments with a view of the street than with a view of the park. How many apartments have a view of the street? So which is the option is the correct one? Hi. 4 apartments with a view of the park, and the apartments that are view of the tree are streets are less than the apartments that with the view of park. Got it? So you have to select the number that is less than 4. So which is the correct option? 3 is the correct option. Mitch and Arlette are making paper hats. Arlette has made 3 paper hats. Mitch has made fewer hats than Arlette hats. How many paper hats has Mitch made? Arlette made 3 paper hats. And in the question you are given, Mitch has made fewer hats than Arlette. That means the correct option is the one that is less than 3. So which option is the correct one? Which number is less than 3? 2 is, sorry, 1 is the correct option because only number that is less than 3 is 1. So the correct option is 1. Tess and Wilson collected bugs for a school project. Tess went to the park and collected 9 bugs. Wilson went to the park and went by the creek and collected fewer bugs than Tess did. So how many bugs did Wilson collected? Tess collected 9 and Wilson collected less than Tess. That means the number that is less than 9 is the correct option. So which is the correct option? Which number is less than 9? That would be 8. The number that is less than 9 is obviously 8. The art club has fewer boys than girls. If there are 6 girls in the art club, how many boys are there? Yes, hi. Dorji, if you have any question, you can please ask. I can see your messages. Okay, so in the club, they have 6 girls and boys are fewer than girls. That means you have to select a number that is less than 6. So, which is the correct option? The correct option is 4. The wild animal park has two loins. It has more tigers than lions. How many tigers does the wild animal park have? Which is the correct option? Two loins and more tigers than lions. So you have to select a number that is greater than 2. So which is the correct option? Which number is greater than 2? Yes, very good. That would be 4. That means the park has 4 tigers. Susan and Kimberly had a running contest. First, Susan ran 8 laps around the track. Then Kimberly ran 6 laps. Who ran fewer laps? Susan or Kimberly? Which is the correct option? Susan ran 8 laps and Kimberly ran 6. So which is the correct option? Which number is less than 6? 8 is greater. That means Kimberly has fewer. The library has 8 books about snakes. It has more books about frogs than books about snakes. So, how many books about frogs does the library have? There are 8 books about snakes, and it has more books about frogs than about snakes. So, the books about snakes are 8. That means the books about frogs are greater than 8. So, which is the correct option? Yes, it would be 9. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. So, we were working on grade 1 maths. The chapter we're working on is comparison, and the lessons we have covered are comparing review, comparing numbers up to 10, comparing numbers up to 100, and comparison word problems. So, please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. So, if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. So, if you have any question, you can please ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.